Picture this, an ordinary room, nothing out of the ordinary. Now imagine it transforming right before your eyes into a starlit wonder. How, you may ask? The answer lies in the magic of StarEFX Modular panels. Imagine the tranquility of a clear night sky, the stars twinkling overhead. Now imagine bringing that peaceful serenity into your own space. No, it's not a dream. With StarEFX Modular panels, this celestial beauty is within your grasp. StarEFX Modular panels are not just regular panels. They're a canvas for the cosmos, a gateway to the stars. Each panel is meticulously crafted, embedded with fiber optic lights that mimic the natural twinkle of distant stars. And the best part? They can fit into any room, transforming it from mundane to mesmerizing. Think about it. Your living room, your bedroom, even your home theater could become a spectacle of starry wonder. It's not just about aesthetics. These panels create an ambiance, a mood that's unparalleled. It's like stepping into a different world, a world where the stars are always within reach. These panels are easy to install, offering you a chance to bring the beauty of the night sky into your home without any hassle. And they're not just for homeowners. Restaurants, hotels, commercial spaces. Any place can benefit from the charm and allure of a starlit ceiling. Picture your guests' awe as they step into your space, their eyes drawn upward to the shimmering spectacle overhead. Imagine the soothing ambiance that these panels can create, the conversations they can spark, the memories they can help make. That's the power of StarEFX Modular panels. So why wait? The stars are now within your reach and they're just a panel away.